4 long, 60 over bumps. Left 6 and right 5 long over crest, continues past junction. Left 3 through gate, water splash. Left 4. Continues over jump. Past junction, left 6 over bump, 100 past lay-by, crest, left 4, into right 6 stay mid over crest, into right 6 130, crest right 6, into turn left 3 tights to 2 past junction. Care right 6 over jump 60, right 6 over, right 2 long ditch inside. Caution right 4 long, don't cut, tights to 3, over crest, immediate. Into caution, turn right 3 tight, immediate turn square left. F2. And right 6 into left 6, into right 3 long, into turn left 3 half long, crest, jump maybe. Care left 6 over crest, 80 down, turn square right. Into left 2 keep in, right, into right 3, into left 2 long, opens 100, care logs, right 5, 80 through dip, over crest, 60 keep left over crest, right 4 don't cut 60, into care right 4 long, don't cut, logs inside, right 6 half long, 60 over crest, caution keep left over crest, down, into right 4 long, into left 1 long, into left 6 over bumps, into right 4 continues over crest, into left 6 60 past junction, turn left 1 40, turn right 2 don't cut, bad camber, into left 6, left 3 long don't cut, jump, right 5 and right 5 long, into left 6 long over crest, into right 4, 40 gate, left 6, into right 3 long, 40, right 5 continues for 80 over crests, tightens to... Left 6, 40 bump, right 3 long past junction, into left... Into caution, keep right over jump, left 6, into right 3, left 6, left 4 long, left 4 long, into right 1 long, 60,